In order to fix always on a display not working on Samsung Galaxy S26, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and search for Lock Screen and AOD. Now once you go over here, you should be able to find the Always On Display option, and you can tap on the switcher, of course, to turn it on, so just make sure that it is actually enabled. And if it is enabled and AOD still doesn't work, you can turn it off and turn it back on just in case. You can also tap on the option itself in order to find some additional settings. And then in here, what you can do is you can go to when to show, because I'm not sure if you know, but you actually by default have to tap on the screen in order to activate AOD. So when we put the display to sleep, once we lock the phone, you can tap on the screen once in order to show AOD. And there we go, this is how it looks like. But if you want to make it work in a slightly different way, you have some additional options in here, like for example auto. And in this case, the AOD will be pretty much immediately active or woken up once you lock the phone, unless it is placed in a dark place, such as for example a purse or your pocket. So then when we lock the phone, as you can see, AOD is immediately enabled. It is immediately displayed. You can also switch to always, so then it doesn't matter if it is in a dark place, for example, or if you're sleeping and so on and so forth. So every time you just lock the phone, the AOD should be displayed. And if you finally find out if, for example, always works, so at first you can tap to always and see if that works. If it works, you can, for example, switch to automatic so that you don't drain your battery as much. And of course, if that's convenient to you, then you can switch back to tap to show and see if that feature works for you. If you can actually tap on this screen when the phone is locked in order to show AOD. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.